Hi! Today, I'll be showing you how to use your movie benefits with the Echo app. Once you have opened the app, select the Movies tab followed by the cinema company of your choice at the top. New Metro, Ster Kinokor, or Cine Center. You'll now be presented with a list of vouchers available to you. Vouchers for your preferred viewing experience, 2D or 3D, and the cool drink and popcorn combo. In this example, we've selected both the 3D movie voucher as well as the cool drink and popcorn combo voucher. Then, press the Place Order button. On the next page, you are required to input your debit or credit card details. Once complete, press the Pay Now button to check out. You will then receive an SMS with your voucher. Show the teller at your selected movie theater your voucher or, alternatively, enter your code at the self-service terminal and print your tickets. Congratulations, you just secured 50% off your movie tickets, cool drink, and popcorn. Enjoy the next level cinema experience.